Alright, we're out here at Alafia River State Park for like the 30th time. And you ever go to some place over and over and over and over again and then realize, or you discover something new that you didn't even know was here? I'm on the back side of the lake across from the campground. There's the lake here. You can kind of see some of the campers there through. Sorry, I had to clean something off the lens there. There's a trail that cuts through the backside of the campground on the other side of the lake. And it's also right near one of the bike trails. So we're going to follow this around. And see what we can see. Somebody was telling me that they've seen there's a lot of deer out here. I think it's a little bit too early for that right now, but we'll see. There's the lake. You can see one loop of the campground right there, and there's another loop way over there. All the trails out here are well marked. It's virtually impossible to get lost out here. The landscape, as you can see, is just gorgeous. This used to be an old quarry mine, and so it's very hilly in some places, especially on the bike trails. And it's very wet in here right now from all the rain we've had. And so the Swamp Club, who maintains the bike trails in here, are actually in here putting in some new bridges and whatnot over some of the washed out or flooded areas in the trails. Here's one of the bike trails that goes up there. See, it's probably a good 30 or 40 foot incline there. Another shot of the campground across the lake. It's very muggy today. Very muggy today. Oh, I know what trail that is, too. This is part of North Creek Trail. Okay, so that's the one that dumps out by the campground. Okay. I just love it when you come out to a place you've been many times before and run across something new. This is going to take us to the old Allegro hiking trail, which is going to be through the woods, and that's going to be some climbing involved.